Under the new CQC always on model, inspectors can arrive at your home tomorrow morning with 0 notice. Not 6 weeks warning, no time to prepare, right? The question is not whether they are coming. The question is whether your evidence is ready right now, which it should be. Today, it should be. If they walk through your door in the next 24 hours, what would you do? So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly what they will look for and the one system that generates that evidence automatically every month, so you never have to scramble around. Again, it's the worst thing that you can think of when CQC come knocking at your door, you open the door and it's like, oh my gosh, panic mode, everyone starts panicking. This video, I want to stop that. I want to stop you from panicking, because you don't need to panic. You should be ready, prepared, because that's what you got registered for, right? So you're there to do this every day, not just when CQC tell you when they're going to come. So inspections every 3 years is not really how it is now. You need to be doing continuous monitoring every day, anytime. The evidence must exist permanently, not assembled the week before. This is the section that gets shared the most, okay? And I'm going to talk this through. Every registered manager needs to hear this. Number 1, the individual resident's profile. Does the home know each resident's interest, preferences, cultural background, and life history? Not in the care plan, in a live updated record. Number 2, session level evidence. Not we do activities and you provide them with the sheet of paper with a singer on, coming on this particular date, Elvis singer. Not that. So what is it that you provide them with? What evidence do you show that residents attended? And I'm not talking about a photo with Elvis singing. What were the outcomes for those individuals that attended? Number 3, what was the mood outcomes? Can the home show the engagement? Is it improving the residents' well-being? What numbers, how many people showed up? Before and after scores. What are the monthly trends? Number 4, staff knowledge. Can any care worker explain how they personalize activities for a specific resident? This is what the inspector will be looking for from the care worker, not the manager. Number 5, family involvements. Are families given tools to participate in the engagement? Are they observed and recorded? What was the outcome? We've created a tracker solution. The tracker, I'm going to walk you through it. I'm going to talk you through it. It shows a monthly dashboard that inspectors see. They arrive and the manager hands them a finished PDF. This is what outstanding evidence looks like, generated automatically every month for every resident with no additional admin for your team. So imagine you've got a 12-month record chart. Not just because you know they're coming in 12 weeks or 8 weeks or 6 weeks or 3 weeks or 2 weeks that you've suddenly got evidence for that period. It needs to be all the time, every day. So the 12th of June deadline, as you know, is coming up, and the consultation is on the new framework, and it closes the 12th of June. The final framework lands before the end of 2026. This allows it's the model. It really is, you really need to start doing it now before it goes live. The window to build your evidence system is really right now. So book a free call and I will show you exactly how my tracker works and how it will work for your care home. The link is in the description. Every person in your care home has a story, and it's worth remembering to them. Every family deserves the tool to reach them when they're in your care home. Every care worker deserves the training to connect. No one should be left out. I'm Christine Crowell, the founder of Dominique Carrington Advisory, 35 years in care, and if you've enjoyed this video, if it's helped you in some way to prepare, then do like and subscribe. Share this video with someone that you feel that will benefit as well. And I will see you in the next video. Take care for now. Thank you. Bye.